All I'm listening to when I'm hitting these other two for these clutches, I'm just looking for a thud. You can physically see the band's working. I'm just gonna keep going and put the valve body in. While I got a little bit of light on the phone. I line the park rod up with my finger. Set the valve body in. Okay. Set this under the park rod just for a minute. I'm about to turn y'all off for a minute. I gotta get this real quick. Yeah, we're fine. So I'll keep a box of them. I'll tighten mine up just about that much. I'm gonna hold back on the manual valve and try that snapper in. This is the worst part about putting the valve body, especially when it's in the car. Sometimes you just need to leave the park rod up in it and work with it that way. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but snap ring's in place. Four longest bolts are going to go to the governor housing up here. Or the governor solenoid transducer housing. And my damn bolt just got off. Alright. That's that for this. Hopefully this is still working, so I ain't quitting. Sometimes you gotta knock it down like that on the rubber seals on the wiring harness. Alright, phone's dead. I'm on a new camera. I hope it works. Just like I did with the pump, I'm going to take my speed wrench. I'm going to bottom all these valve body bolts out. Just makes it a little faster for me. I got a good feel of it, so I'm not going to cross thread anything. Then we're going to come back with a torque wrench. We'll torque these down to 100 inch-pounds. We'll start right here. when I use a cork gasket, I like to put the cork gasket down with high tack. I high tack it to the pan, and then I torque the bolts to the transmission. I did on every one of them. When I was in the dealership, we got to where we were getting some comebacks from the 10,000 miles down the road. You had to put a pan gasket on. And when we started doing this, it ended them. And we did. Well, I mean, you can go 30,000 miles to the service, no leaks. So that's the way I do it. Same thing. I'll start off with my speed wrench. I'll wipe the pan down all the way around. Then I'll come back with a torque wrench. These get torqued to 13 foot-pounds. And I usually pull them down to about 9 or 10 to start with. Come back around. Just keep sneaking up on it until we get to 13. Okay, y'all, this is my series on the 46 RE. We'll have some more stuff coming up. I appreciate everybody's watching. I appreciate all your comments, what you've done for my little channel. But if you follow these videos, I really believe you can do this yourself and you can save yourself a ton of money. I mean, this is a $3,000 job. They're going to have about $700 in it, and it's just as good as a $3,000 job. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the workshop.